You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name and word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got much more for you. There are different pronunciations depending on the context. This is an acronym for Uniform Resource Identifier, and that's pronounced URI. Now, this is also a name of Hebrew origin that is present in the Bible, and in Hebrew, this is pronounced as Uri or Uri. So, Uri. Now, in English, some may say it as Uri as well. So there are different pronunciations, but generally as a name, Uri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.